La la la. La 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 la.
Here, males aren't a problem. Females have worked out a plan to tame them, an unbeatable way to live in harmony.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Regardless of the state of excitement, there's never any tension. Females anticipate all discord. As soon as conflict arises, they mutually calm one another. And some will even provoke their menfolk just so they can get a bit of comfort. In this Eden, survival, domination, rivalries, and conquest are not the usual daily fare. Females hold the power and wield it delicately. I don't know anyone on Savannah Lane who would dare look into another's eyes while making love.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
The secret of Eve and her sisters lies in two words: peace and love. So the males can just kick back.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
In their small community, isolated from the rest of the world, they can relax, put in some serious body time, and meditate.